Fáilte Rashka, howtogael. This is a podcast brought to you by Fáilte Ireland.
Louise, Thot and Sarah, well and truly ling ag a buinte seo, and I'm dying to get away g'di áit in the
Doireann, I'm right there with you. I actually keep coming back to that feeling of, taking a short break and just tugging sus.
Oh my God, I know much in go bhfuil tú sair, the shoulders drop, you take in that big deep breath and you just think, Carcalor, I'm a sairnish.
Shinna Rod, do you know what it is for me? It's like the moment you arrive wherever you're going, you drop the bags, you take that initial little wander around and you're like, oh, it's on fuishiv shin. I've landed. I'm on a sus.
John, I'm feeling it straight away. I'm a little bit earlier than you. As soon as I hit the road, I'm blaring the Ceolar radio to the Fanoga Hisagum. I'm heading west Bader toward Ig and Wild Atlantic Way. The sea, the cliffs, the swims. If you're feeling brave, it just wakes you up.
Well, ein team latags to is hain gur bralum irhina tira. I love it. But on Sarah Shaw, I'm kind of feeling something more, I don't know, they can suv nach Lorna tira. I'm thinking the hidden heartlands. Nice little spa break, waking up, cushow and agdolig or coffee, agus for they can quiche the das machine.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? In Ireland, you get to choose your own pace. One day you can go full adventure. The next day you can slow it all down. Níl an deferert.
Exactly, dear. In Shin Rod, there's no delays in the airport. There's no long travel days. Tá sé dasty and blee. You just go and you can enjoy your break from the very start.
Yeah, those moments really stick with you afterwards. You feel really recharged, a little bit lighter, like you're reconnected with yourself again. The cup is full. Shin Rod is tachty.
Sinead, and so whether you are chasing that Atlantic fin of an air or maybe you want to take a sus in the hidden heartlands, whatever you do this summer, tug sus the chain.
So what are you waiting for? Din plan dud hir a jaar inish ag discoverireland.ie.
Hello, agus fáilte go howtogael. I'm Louise.
Lumsa Shiva.
Agus lumsa Doireann.
Agus, I'm sure going to rash the studio we're reached now. We must say, Shiva, you're back for a second week, and are you proud of the Buíochas? Are they being followed?
Yeah, massively. As far as I know.
Yeah, I've a little.
She's fucking raging. She's raging.
2 weeks
She's like, come on, I planned this episode, I'm rebranding. Mara Dortmund had to rin a shachtana. She planned for the rebrand. She didn't want to be Shiva Ríomhphost anymore. And listen, we heard, but the rebrand she got was the MILF. You know what, as rebrands go.
Sorry. Saying you want to fuck me, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Anything you want to fuck, I will be that.
You'll be that. So, well, look, girl, it's not the rebrand you want, but the rebrand you got, and the rebrand you deserve. You're looking great. Fair play to you.
Does an episode go by where we don't compliment her? Anyway, we'll circle back to that. What I do want to admit, I actually have a little admission to make.
Oh no.
I was in the car, right? Okay, because we're filming this on a Monday after the Munster final with Declan. Shitting it that my fucking upper value wasn't up to scratch for fear that I'd have to come in and record today and I wouldn't have enough upper value done for Shiva. Shiva, I had this Monday fear because of you.
Do I make you nervous?
Yeah, you do.
That's my dream in life.
I was like,
a little bit nervous.
I was like, Declan, look, she sent a text on Saturday saying that I needed to be having these notes done and I don't have them done. And he was like, send in a few bullet points.
Yeah. And you did, in fairness. Now, I will say, ní raibh she wrote yes. He almost text like a hooked clug mod and Harry. That was a bit ridiculous, but it was just like, I got a moment, so I sent it. It was fresh in the mind.
Táimid anna hostage to rash agus occur on a two treis beag nu a hortistach nor tat everything towering nor Irian dine leshgul and tershach, and it's great to have someone kicking us up the arse.
Yeah, well, we must have a catch up characterization there because I feel we were all off doing bits and pieces.
Yeah, we were fought last week.
Yeah.
Then Kunde, not Grev.
Yeah, yeah, that's when
no, near mission.
Oh, Vita, yeah.
Well,
go on.
We're going to wear our county colours and our little baby tee.
Lads, a dream has died. God, I tell you.
Girl.
No,
don't write him off yet.
No, of course. But look, I mean, Vimerig, Kilchinig, Vijan exciting, and then look, I mean, Visha just being Hedla. We were still in it, Tracy Hedla, and then just in Tarnala.
I imagine Doireann was getting ready to drink out of the cup.
Yeah,
I don't know what the Mick Mackey equivalent is in Leinster. What's it called? The Leinster. Who's it? Bob O'Keefe, you were getting ready to take another sup.
Just unexciting, tá anna beoch te feared in the man íocht amnacli irish rud tá anna exciting and a dul godina cluhi agus like keen to sin agus an luchlanúna gur na man íocht actually vadnis oigen on luchlanúna gur an pel.
Really?
Yeah,
tá sé really
smooth. Yeah, tá sé really smooth and it is a real Trish Clare for Dublin's a hurling county now. We're really now tá galore dina mulla gurta fi láher and obviously tá Imrian Session Tuncher rudaí. Ach yeah, Creeverste Tration and Saran mar vi mar God nach mech go huntach now the memiste semi-final. It got chance go memi in semi-final reach. But then Trish Fechenter in the money de downig, you know, agus an skill agus
Do you know what? On Rud Balio Clea though is Toshvik Tacht and it's coming and that's like great to see in a county.
Coming a long time. We've been edged for a long time, you know.
Listen, no more than any. So many counties are the same, but it's great, and I love that you're saying there's Dine Ogig Dull Chuig na Clea. I think that makes such difference to the excitement.
It's really deadly. On pellets na outlads are fad, but Rudger Hogue my fui Nara and Dara Shafton show. You know, in their hands to Dulgri na Clea, like it is real, like the core group, like a core group of mates going to Dulgri Clea lo V2 really like how they can really to check like the family day out or like that carded that like our family, you know what I mean? Yeah, Pubble and just Tasha really good mad on Animax and Mishnach, but anyway.
Yeah, no, Tasha class, and we were even saying that ourselves down at the Munster final on Sunday. Our family, like our bi-weekly get together for years of the summer has been matches, so it was kind of das Arish Velikela, and it's weird, it's so different than having Declan Lynn, you know, Egamorge, and we're like, oh,
do you keep forgetting he's there?
But it's kind of like it changes the vibe a small bit, you know what I mean? But like we were all kind of getting emotional yesterday thinking, you know, gone on the mind, gone like in the Clehishin. Would you have like spent so much time together those summers and had all of those core memories? Like it is a rod more the, you know, I don't know, for families, for communities, for clubs, it's class.
It's a cornerstone of a lot of people's like summer calendars.
Sorry, do you know what to totally change the subject, and I know I totally forgot about this, but I know that I know she's more lads. Joe format Tiked Serenashka I Haran La Dulgadi Nikki Glazer.
Yes, she's Olympia. The Aoife Dunn.
Yeah, Aoife Dunn.
Howtogael. Yeah.
Okay.
She's a comedian.
Okay.
She did the Oscars.
I have never heard of her, Hannah. Yeah,
she's big.
She's massive in the States.
Yeah.
Yin she 6 o'clock show, yin she 9 o'clock show. So yin she raw show.
Yeah.
Joe came out of here in a ticket. Shaska euro, right? 60 quid, so twice the fucking price of a normal ticket in the Olympia. 2 back-to-back shows. Oh, who's there? Hanagi for Dunner. She didn't know much. She was fantastic.
Of
like,
course.
Unreal.
Love done so much.
She's such a legend. Then Hanig Farrella, for sure, Gamina Dollar, Tourley, Temple, I'd know and down. Vishay Shingama Andy something. You said didn't know much. Hannah she did a tight hour near of Callaghan, heckling New Einrod. Guys, 5 out of 10.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
Well, really?
Yeah. Well, her type of ground wouldn't be our type of ground.
Why?
You know what I mean? Like, it's
just
a bit Hollywood, like.
She on a Hollywood now is she couldn't get over like Hannah and she was like, oh my god, this is like, she's like, this is the whitest audience I've ever played for in my career. She's like, what the fuck? She's like, is there no diversity in Ireland? We were like, oh yeah, I mean, just
not much. We can't argue with it.
But Vishay Gama, but it wouldn't be like Nive Fasta Trihagari Xilagamefa, like you know, the Negan who's going to do some cultural comedy or commentating over Negan.
And I doubt she's is she very self-deprecating? Is she?
No. Well, no, Vishay kind of actually. But Rudger Hogue my Finara, and I just couldn't get over this. Han she mach in a guna tiny teeny agus pyra heels more orda, and I was like, girl, how can you? Like, I don't know, just comedy. How can you get out there and work a stage, you know, and be like, I thought it was a wild choice of Éadach. And if you gur bei sin on difriocht is mo, because actually, like, being Misha Chiappa, I was like, God, it's gas, like, just in Europe, Tommy de Vadchan Tussig, in Americana, go have steel and stuff like that. Like,
Hamid, HVR, and
I was just, it was really, like, uncool, actually. I was like, there's nothing fucking cool about you coming out here and you're
like, where's your little hiking boots?
Well, few on Tifriocht they're like, you know, bodycon agus and shin and stuff. Me and Joanne McNally have like tracksuits. Full tracksuits like here, you know.
Yeah, and that's like Joanne McNally's been she rock and roll.
I'd say Nikki Glazer, she's very polished.
Really
very polished.
But is that more quite than, you know, gig howtogael? Like, is she kind of like that?
Yeah, look, I'm obviously working if she's selling out two gigs
totally
at Olympia, you know. But like I don't think she'd be very representative of us.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Anyway, Caddy, this is in here Shachna.
Misha Luck Orman, here's our course Highlock Cahill and for my or Clegg le like an sauna agus like an trog on baby
hauling.
Yeah, but she really good ass femur kind of gargo actually Gargo feathered look Orman Cúmar and Tron Shin and like Nima Hve sauna obviously we feathered the stock agus to a gun person Nima Hve sauna le ages and Cúmar stock and it's Mish agus call and then Cougar Ella Own Bert Ban Ní Sinna and Tror Gar in Ina Calo And you'd swear we'd booked together. It was like we were just immediately part of the co-raw. Do you know what I mean? Like we weren't giving up. We really good ask.
Yeah.
Really social the Caimir raw. Yeah. And then they were fond of stocks and Arga Chaela. Yeah. We really good ask.
Anna, okay, Colleen, so Ryan Coraggers going on epi and led Dave the medium. So let's fly through Cuireann. Jennifer on Spotify commented saying, a great interview with Dave. Absolutely love him. He's amazing. He has got a massive cult following nach bhfuil.
Crazy. A beidir fiú rá leis an taglah sin gur dhéanamar leis. It was actually bhí sé cho close to the bone and stuff like ní éitmi sé chuirmach because it was bhí sé really parsanta.
Yeah.
We loved it, by the way, absolutely loved it. But bhí sé raw stuff that like there was just like go bhfuil fear beag an daoine ar an sail show, you know, and there's just no way.
Did we not learn on our yearnock that we went to a psychic Corland Road Cana? We had to cut it all.
We had to cut it all.
Row farsanta.
I know, and like at age story, we love you so much, but like it actually, I can say this confidently, it wasn't either Doireann or I, neither of our stories to tell. It was about someone else altogether in our lives, and not you, by the way. About someone else altogether, and you know, it wasn't even like about asking for permission. It wouldn't have been appropriate, and people wouldn't have understood it. It wouldn't have made sense. So Yarmer mock really on stuff it's Murphy's Law.
I know, so annoying. It was just, if you had known that if you'd heard the stuff that he said, you would have had no qualms about it, or like, you would have no auris, you know, meow or a hille.
Now Deirdre's back again, and Deirdre, we need to give an apology. Is Spotify here easy with the Claire slander girls? Doireann, they're having none of us. I'm
gonna reserve my apology. Trish and Claim on but no, so listen, if you mission Mahoney going to clarify Treebly and Gael, I love County Clare, you know, I do, it's great, but what's an L thrown around of an L cunt here now between friends, you know.
Rivalry. Listen, a man sent me in a message today on the radio, right, about Laois. I have to laugh. Laois beat Carlow in the Joe McDonagh Cup. This is like, so I was going to say lower leagues. Is that mean to say? And he was like, Louise, I'm just messaging you to say hup Laois, and there's nothing like betting the neighbours. Huh. And I was like, do you know what? So should have thought, it's rivalry and
a bit of crack.
It's quitter.
It's good. Now,
and don't tell me everyone in Clare says they love Limerick people either. So Deirdre.
Now I have no neighbouring affiliation to Clare. I was just doing it for a rise, but anyway.
Well, you got it. Deirdre,
I got it. I know Deirdre tá broner machome.
And den cínta goil sibh ábhar laúnt Instagram agus TikTok mar scanach and lever del rangi for dormi linn. You can email us at howtogael@gmail.com, or like we always say, leave us a Spotify comment. We love them.
We love them.
All right, Colleen, téma na seachtainna seo ná how to be annoying. Now, go with me on this, right? Okay. So I think what I want to try to get into is like the small things that people do online and in real life. They don't need to be friends of ours or family members. They can be, or it can just be people that you like have the parasocial relationship with, that you follow or lean annoying with.
Yeah.
And why is that emotion of annoyance such a powerful force? Like, why does it rile us up? And I'm going to give you two examples, right, of celebrities like Lara Twin, Rod Shaw, annoying, and Care the Killian Sheva, annoying to them, right? So this is Jennifer Lawrence on the Jimmy Fallon show. She was accused online of being a very annoying person.
Yes.
And this is how she dealt with it on Jimmy Fallon.
Everything you say kind of gets picked up in the press. And
I'm so annoying.
You are not.
I did an interview where they were like, you know, everybody thought you were annoying, or I said I was annoying. I don't remember how it started, but I was like, yeah, like I was hyper, and I was, you know, and I was annoying. And then the internet, the sweet internet, well, I've never said that before, was just like rushed to my support and was like, you're not annoying. You're not. We never thought you were annoying. But that is annoying. Because I like weaponized my experience to make everybody like
stick up for me.
Not to stick up for me, and I'm like, oh my god, that is so annoying. Like, I am annoying, and I am okay with that, and I don't want anybody.
Okay, so that's Jennifer Lawrence on being annoying. Carla Capinshiv.
I deeply sympathise. I'm annoying. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. And again, don't all rush at once to
No, I was going to say, tá mis annoying, come on. I think my current to like, you know, the top being with our Lena, and like we've like in inverted commas following Zarlina, and but like the nature of that is being annoying, so you have to just like lean into being look, I'm annoying and so what, like I don't really care, you know?
Yeah but no, she was like the people's princess nor kind of husig she in a garm, especially like the Hunger Games for the Casula Shin, but she was very like, oh, I'm so awkward, oh, I'm gonna go home and have pizza after this award ceremony, you know. She was a bit like derpy me, you know. And I think that did great on people, and even though I think she was just being herself, but
annoying.
Yeah.
But it's, and on that, right? Because I think Will and Carrick, I think that both of you are dead right. I think we're all very annoying. I think humans are annoying.
Absolutely.
Of course, like I think people are annoying. But how annoying is it when people tell you you are or you aren't annoying? Do you know, it's like there's so many layers to annoyance.
Yeah, well, she seems like she's accepted. She's in an acceptance phase of her annoyance. So she doesn't need to be told that she's not.
So how are you with your annoyance? Come and smart boy and Shivlin. Have you accepted?
I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
I've a bit of way to go, but
I think I'm in denial most of the time.
Oh dear. Okay.
I'd say so. Yeah, I'd say I like Iscom. I feel like I'm self-aware to the point I know when I'm being annoying.
Perfect.
And then I think I can be like annoying on purpose, Chuma, which is like I'm interested about, because I feel like people know how to annoy people and they do that on purpose in Amity.
Yes.
And it's like a tactic to, I don't know, get what you want, or to like make a point. If you maybe don't feel confident enough to say something, you'll go about it. You know, it's like, it can be, annoying is a really interesting one, I think.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, it seems like you've been thinking about this a lot recently.
Well, I had to fucking come up with a run order for my Upper So let me tell you, I did at least a few hours around. No, not a few hours. Couple of hours. Here's Ricky Gervais on annoying. And I mean, you can probably guess his what. So poor Al, anyway, Ricky Buck.
You could go on and on all day.
I hate that.
Okay.
I hate that. Like, I get he's a comedian and he's like trying to do a bit, but like, that's one of the most negative things I've ever heard in my life. It's horrible.
Yeah,
that's horrible. That's a horrible way to go through life.
Yeah,
he's looking for something to be annoyed by at every turn.
Ein team lad couldn't be dealing. That's annoying.
It is annoying.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Well, Sinead. So right, Cadé Gadir, okay. Cadé Keelian of annoying. So I've asked you to do your own little upper value, right? Right.
Okay.
Asked you to have a few fraggery prepped for me here, right? And I know Shiva, she's already sitting up taller. She's regular dull. What is something, Shiva, a chuireann stachart instantly? An instantly annoying thing that annoys you.
So actually, Louis, Ricky Gervais, okay, glottal sounds, okay, a cough, clearing your throat, a sniff, like anything like that, anything repetitive will like make me want to blow fire out of my armpits. I hate it so much.
Really?
You could have a chronic illness. I'm like, stop fucking coughing. Like, it's oofawesome. It's oofawesome.
In the hospice,
but
blowing your nose.
Well, no, I get it, and it's not even the cough. Is it like when someone does the phlegm thing?
No, because this can be very valid coughing or sniffing or any, like, because some people just have coughs. Do you know what I mean?
So
like,
just
but I wonder, is it an evolutionary thing that like I'm like, ew, tatu teen, like imiglat away from me? Or am I just trying to find a reason that I don't like it?
Google it, find them off.
Yeah, why do I hate, like,
and Keiko Laura Costache, is it like one of us will cough and you're like,
one cough, grand. Two, fuck off.
Really?
Oh my God,
Get the
sorry.
boat.
I hope I don't get a cough this winter.
Get the boat. Yeah, get the boat.
I've been through what, just in raw humour, like when
irritated,
you're with them.
like
It's
severely irritated, like it, like my skin be crawling, like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Agus I goni it all. Is there ever a cough that you kind of Carl's cough? Baba's cough?
Carl doesn't cough. Baba doesn't really cough.
Baba hasn't been alive in a winter yet, so she hasn't had a chance. God love her.
But you know,
you cough your
naughty
out.
feet. Naughty feet.
But like, you know, like or in Tathini, like I can tell, I'm like, you just need to blow your nose. Say something there and muss.
Yeah.
And I'm like, and they're like,
If you might have a tissue.
God, fucking
Get off
get off the 46A, take a stocking and let her sis congri and get a tissue. I don't know.
Tusa Agus to a cough. What do you do when you're coughing? Do you
I don't get coughs.
You don't get coughs.
Fuck off, you surely gotta go.
Strepsil. Do you know what I mean? Like, just saying rudaí or like swallow or like mill new rudaí, but like you're agitating your vocal cords more. I hate coughing.
Okay. Simil.
Yeah.
Okay, they're in.
Rud a chuireann stachart. Now, sorry.
Laura
Buíochas Dina.
Yeah.
Dina le American accents gur bas éireann dóibh. If I hear someone from Ireland with an American accent, it just drives me up the walls. What is wrong with you? You've watched way too much YouTube or something, like just Laura Maris Gná.
Okay, and Rud a chuireann stach I'm said láthraach I gcónaí and I can't explain this, I don't know what it is. But you know, if there's someone, right, who's fucking cracking their knuckles, but they do not so much like this, just crack the knuckles, but people who go
oh yeah, no, that's
and do
rotten,
every individual knuckle
that
and
is
make a
rotten.
performance about
I
it.
like doing it.
I'm like,
no, I don't
kneel
like
him
that
down,
either, yeah.
even, oh my God, I'd have to get up and leave. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know one rod shin?
Eintíim na
And it's
sin.
like the like they've
Sometimes if you got
routine.
bubbles in your knuckles, you need to get them out. Like, you know?
I've never.
What? Bubbles in your knuckles.
Like
What
Shiva,
bubbles
Shiva,
in your
Shiva,
knuckles?
no.
Oh, Shiva, no.
No, Shiva, stop. But now I will caveat that by saying what I do like done to me. Agus if you know I like the feet. I like when I'm getting like the pedicure done and or do you ever get like a Thai foot massage?
Yes.
And they go and they kind of pop your
yeah,
knuckles at the toes.
Agus then she let the vera come on. They go like this.
Ní
yeah.
mala mé nála mo bhéir.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, so Sinead Dumsa. Just
Okay.
crunching a shocker.
Performative knuckle cracking.
Performative knuckle cracking.
Do you know what actually would sometimes make me actually physically feel like I'm going to get sick is if someone burps in my company. It's full and burping. It's full and burping.
Can't hard them because of shit. But I'm like,
it's like, oh, no, it's just so rude. So rude.
Yeah, performative
no,
burping.
can't. Yeah, no. Oh my God. I'm like, I need to leave the room. I cannot believe you just, it's so ignorant.
Now
Can't.
a performative burp.
Performative or not? Sorry, lads.
Yeah.
You need to burp. Like, even, like, put a napkin over your, or like, you know, try and be discreet. Or, you know, be
Jesus,
discreet.
I can't cough, I can't burp.
I know. No, burping.
I can't crack my
ick.
knuckles.
You
Can't do
burping
anything
is
in
so
here.
good.
Yeah.
The card
glad
dear
I'm
Casula Shin, and she's actually like, I'm actually okay with farts. It's burps that are the worst.
Yeah, I actually think burps are the worst than farts as well.
Spatial.
Yeah. No, I just think we'll say how just ní leon béasa bhaint leis. Like,
Yeah.
dro
I think
béasa.
Ortha, they just like talking to Schlauno Mock, like Ortha. Trihimpischte.
Sorry, I can't believe you're making excuses for this on Van Cana that just went to the tirade there, man, to Casachtoch.
Yeah. But like, this is like, this is an impulse. Like,
See, famously as well, Shiva likes a fart. So like she's going to
she
be
does,
part
she
of this.
does, she
I'm
does.
going to defend my passing gas.
Wherever it needs to come out. Don't say, all right. Okay, Gurmagov Colini. So on we go, Arish. Now, this is where we need to be a bit reflective and self-aware.
Okay.
Cadian and Tussa, agus will is good going into rod a Cornishtach Dini the Hill.
Yeah.
What's the thing that you do that annoys others?
Tamisha Heish tort for Yara Dani go me Lauert Har Guini. And I know I'm doing it. And I'm like, oh, Shiva, why are you still speaking? Someone else is speaking right now. And like, Tasha Heish Thorley and Tugus May in like social situations at Dani. And I'm like, you need to stop. Nilani Heish Ralum and like Degan of your call really come on like you know,
Yeah,
like Tasha
yeah,
Rod,
yeah, yeah.
Susan or the Shogs, Derek Shalom. But I've just noticed it and I'm like, I'm literally saying to myself, like, why are you talking right now? There's someone else finishing their sentence.
Yes.
So Shin just tell me really odd look air and I'm trying to nip it in the bud.
Okay, self-aware, girl, will do all to Shana
I take a will ensure going though Kyantuk for I think we probably all have about that. Does that.
1,000%. I'm there editing the podcast and I'm like, who just talked over them now?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh,
Ken?
sorry, near you in my overbala, so just to a second.
No, to a second. Okay.
She's always burping.
Go
That's
Michelle.
what wrecks my...
On Rod, August, on it's going go say on annoying, and I'm so actually aware of it because it's getting fucking worse. I am so easily distracted. So easily distracted.
Yes.
Agus iscom, agus current Shachardini, Gahar if we're Dane of Rodagant Lekailer, if we're Uber Rodagant, or even if we're Ilor Cora the High Sagant, like I will literally be a glart, you know, I'll be a Gora one and then something's happening over here and I'm like I just get
you are,
so
yeah,
easily
yeah,
distracted.
Yeah. But that's what you're aware of it. So you're at the
Yeah.
kid came chun I shouldn't
Yeah,
lice,
no,
you know?
it's Tommy to your shocker, Jane of Earth, but then I'm like, oh my God, I'll even notice it. Not led in agent. I'm even annoying myself,
Yeah.
right? That I'll be like a Dane of Rother one, and then I'm like, as I'm doing it, it's like multitasking. And my mind is annoyed to Exceller. I'm a Dane of Rother Agent, do you know?
Yeah.
It's such a, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't want to diagnose you, but that sounds
Giving
like a
ADHD.
diagnosis.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're in diagnoses me regularly with it anyway.
I know, but you're
Gaminic.
yeah. But
Doctor
look,
there
And
and
Kiro Gala
I
and
don't know.
Shin, like I think.
Yeah, well, no, I think Matamisha and rather on the spectrum, I'd say I'm leaning towards autistic, but well, just because being
Sorry,
so
come on.
hyper fixated. No, but just because I'm so hyper fixated, and also on roads, actually, Shine Road, Tamayana mi einach, Nilan fine go Magardina, especially like
Talking
I'm
me
like,
einach, yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
like I just can't get over like Matamisha. I need you to fucking catch up now to where I'm at, you know.
Yeah.
And current chase sayer my like Mata, I'm like. How are we not?
Yeah,
You know,
I
so
know.
Tommy Anami Einach. So and Rod Elegant and Yalar Main is you know, is failing vet over like you know, overstimulated or into so calm I really like my héna hogan to situation like you know, mat sílte ra or mat nutá actually mar kind le Carla mi show mar near of ceachtar going a goal de sahing. I mean we're near a cur shachar and gone a goal. Ach it's an forum ar fad vi an timpelert. They're not to goal togan to shin fui nara. Agus ní hogan to fui nara nerv in duchagut. So shin like you know no ruddy sure fad.
Sensory,
overstimulated massively. Yeah.
Now need though I'm going my in any like autistic, but like Tommy their father spectrum. So my Tommy.
If you had to choose one, basically.
If I had to choose one based on symptoms, I'd probably go for that one.
Okay, Anava. So agus an ceistela bhí going then was something that annoys you, but like I was trying to think of how to word this, but you can't justify it. Do you know that something you know that like there's no reason to be annoyed, but just Irene to fucking cross then, or are they going to get, you know?
My casocht, my glottal sounds is probably can't really justify talking here, but and it's going to make even less sense. But podcasters.
So fair. So fair. They're so annoying.
They are.
So annoying.
Well, Neil Mitchell Kermwood Haines and Orv and
Of course.
Out of the equation.
Allowed.
Because I don't think I don't think we take ourselves that seriously. Going to see in show because I thought to mock kind of corda.
Oh yeah.
I
I know what you mean. Yeah.
We just talk about ourselves.
Yeah.
Worse. That's worse.
Níos massa. That's probably way more annoying.
But
of Akatu, like I don't Ryan Yella, I think like maybe this is actually I completely lack self-awareness to show, but I think Ryan Keenella, they act as if their platform is where people should go to get an tolas ar fud.
Yes.
You know, like, and I think people are starting to turn to podcasts as if they are the an Fuincha Olish, like mo good Stephen Bartlett, like you'd swear he was
Actually, sorry,
God,
but that pontificating. And like,
do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And like vi session or vi glad fine rud with alcohol, right? Grev gogli a fina get and everyone was out for 3 days.
Tríglin
a gym. Tríglin a fina and everyone was out for 3 days. And he actually ended like a gym. His sleep was affected, and it's like take off your whoop, take off your aura ring, and just have a glass of wine.
Yeah, live your fucking life. Agree.
Relax, and like you're also not like the beacon of like human behaviour just because you have a microphone in front of you. Do you know what I mean? Like he's also not a professional athlete, and just Mohim Anakadini, like they're preaching. Totally call me out on this. But they sit there and they preach and they act as if like this is where people should be getting all of their information and their nuacht, and like you're just someone with the microphone. As are we.
The one I wanted to say, not the annoying thing that annoys me, I can't justify, and this is so niche again, and I don't know how to explain why it annoys me. Do you know someone who is wearing a lot of like gangly or dangly jewellery and bangles, and they're footling around, and they're like moving and clattering and cluggering, and it's like everything is fucking making noise. Do you know that? Kind of like think art teacher that's like up the walls doing bits, and as they move it's like everything is,
and the sleeves
are all going, and there's so much clanking and clinking.
Yeah.
It's going to fall crunch and I just can't be dealing with the clinky clank, you know what I mean? Sinead, okay, Lanwa Droig, Chalini, I've got a little clip beag for you, right? I'm going to give you a couple of scenario, and I'm going to ask you quickly to say annoying or iconic. Okay. Agus a beam of content for you. So, Ibrahim, a friend says, I don't mind where we eat, but then rejects every single suggestion.
Annoying.
Okay. Someone arrives 40 minutes late.
Annoying.
But brings spicy hot gossip.
Forgiven.
Yeah.
Iconic.
Forgiven. Yeah. No, forgiven. Yeah.
Yeah. Dad, no mate. Whew. I just have to make sure I have gossip.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Okay, a person who takes charge of organising a trip but becomes mildly dictatorial.
Annoying.
That sounds fairly iconic to me.
The 6 week of our show, and I was like, it's actually though, Doireann, it probably is iconic for us because we wouldn't organise it ourselves.
Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah. I hate having to be the one to organise, but no, I don't. I'm sorry. I can actually nimalam. I break out in hives when someone tries to organise me too much. Nimalam, I like it's too much of that now.
She likes an open afternoon.
Yeah.
Really does.
Overstimulated there.
Yeah. Okay, Anava. Someone watches your Instagram stories, but never likes, never comments, or never messages you.
That means you're iconic.
Yeah,
they want to keep tabs.
Yeah,
I'm fine with that.
Yeah,
that's a fan.
Yeah.
Now, what about if it was a person of interest?
If they're a person of interest,
You know, or if it was someone like, I'd be annoyed if my friends didn't like my posts, I think.
Oh no, sorry, I'm 30.
Who's keeping tabs on that? Like if you're keeping tabs on that, get a life.
Okay, a friend disappears for 6 weeks and then returns with a "Hey girl" message. Annoying or iconic?
Iconic. Ní bhiste sin a chuireann. I'm like, fad is atá on kind of chuir chuig a céine acu má dhéanam se é. You know, I think relationships and friendships, they ebb and flow. You have to be able to like let them go do your thing, you do yours. Like I need to text like 4 people back, but by she tishkanuk mar beam tishkanuk nar tá she'd sa chás céine.
Totally. I think you're in a friendship, not a like relationship. Yeah, you know, Céad fin gcéad.
Yeah. And hey girl with a heart, actually.
Yeah.
Out of Irish. Okay, what about ordering food or drink for someone before they arrive? So if they're running late and you take the initiative to order them food or drink. Now, this might be more for a partner or like someone. Yeah.
Look, if there's a fucking margarita waiting for me, I'm not complaining.
Yeah, iconic. Iconic. I love, especially like Mata Ahnig dinner Egan be like, she'll love, you know, I like we'll get her this course, you know, like, you know, I'd often, you know, the Egan's coffee order, it's actually really sweet, actually.
I think Horlish Dom, actually, last week I was coming out of work and Jack had a little Caesar salad and a white wine waiting for me and I was like, gahaling. And Ref even explained of her. I didn't even think I was going to have a glass of wine.
That's
so
romance.
Perfect.
That's romance.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, Agus. Well, I already know what you're going to say to this. More than one theme on a hen party.
Oh, chronic. Annoying.
Annoying. Yeah. Very annoying.
Okay. And then, I had one that I hadn't finished here that I think was going to be good. Telling a story. Yeah. Telling a story about someone that's in it in front of them.
Annoying. I hate when someone robs your story.
Yeah.
Like if it's and Siobhan O'Rourke is guilty of this.
I'm so guilty. I'm like, let me tell.
I know.
Yeah.
Annoying.
Tom,
but look, Mahmi did it. Yeah, we're training you.
No, I know. I was like, is this play about me? Yeah.
Well, totally and I'm sure we're not alone. Listen, comment below, what are the most annoying things people do that set you off? We'd love to know. Or maybe you're an annoying person, and if you are, tell us.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, fáilte. Alright, Kalini, yup agus Iach na seachtaine.
Okay, to my unexcited mar formation job or madden agus mission trait. Iach na seachtaine. Yeah, mad for road.
Iconic.
So, and job vi gon sa na taxas le Iach na seachtaine and sorry, personal gripe, time to air this CC little. Okay, tá sib tréis me chlos a tuairteach meallar na glassery agus na turthaí ón olbharige tá me anna airasach meallar because she'd sprayed ar shite. Bhí me actually ag éisteach le segment ar madna an radio go meallar on túnchar gúil se gimmert ar na bacha. Obviously big fan of the bees. Anyway, want to skip a few Gael dusklís mo bhainge ar madden. Okay, and if one of the rare items that I'm still buying in the supermarket is banya, yogurt, olives, feta, couple of beag.
The basics. You sound like
the basics.
A Greek god.
I know. Sign me up, girl. And anyway, dusk me banya ar madden. Went to pour some into my cupán té. I knew an 8 lád mi mehev. Banya is supposed to be intaking 10 lád mi mehev. Lads came out gulpy and fucking yuck. Yuck.
Brother Vinny.
Sorry, that's desperate. Desperate value. What the hell? What the hell?
I'm sorry, this is a very pedestrian yuck na seachtaine. Your milk went off. Your milk went off.
Yeah, no, the milk went off, but we're in a cost of living crisis, and I should have got at least. Now, I would usually go 3 or 4 days after the best before date. Come on, because it's fine. Like going tags or the margin. Yeah. But I've been done out of a week of milk.
Yeah, there must be a 5 agent or vucht in agent and a Kushner and a agent.
Kushner has been absolutely A1. It hasn't left the Kushner. No, nothing. Seriously.
But that's a pain in the hole now.
That is a pain in the hole now. I'm going to have to go. Well, to my dul galoon in our madden. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I won't be able to have any tea now after my dinner tonight.
Oh,
guys, I usually question. They're in book.
I know.
I know.
I
feel like usually the opposite is true, and you'd question why some milks stay in date so long.
Yeah,
do you know, Millions show you'd be getting 2 weeks out of a carton of milk, like
desperate.
Branch and batch.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'll tell you that's the end of that now. I'll be going bema dulags, bema kinach, muchid, banya. That'll be another item now to be got from the fruit and veg shop, lads. Jesus, there'll be no end to it. Flat out, it's a fruit and veg shop. And I don't know myself.
Saolu, they're in adult treat, Ballyoclea Shockland, a Kishon Biog.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Girls, it's desperate. I'm in the Solomons. I'm in my Trader Joe bag. It's full to the brim with fruit and vegetables.
You're ticking all the boxes.
Organic. There you go, guys. I'm seriously, show my hail in it.
What you need to start doing now is performatively posting on Instagram about it so we can rage bait you.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Oh my God, totally. I'll start like.
She already did.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Because she hates fair scéalta. Yeah. About fruit and veg. In fairness, I love chatty scéalta. You know, like Ladini, like a really Dini hat means to them. I love chatty stories. I'm like, more, please.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
But Fada's thought to inch them for rud they can thought just shoelagut organically. Not I'm about to do this. Anyway, sorry.
Yeah. No. And I've been trying to do that in Smo. But it's an off pain the whole oriented because you
is pain in the hole, but I love it's very voyeuristic. I love getting an insight into people's lives.
Yes,
I really do.
Sinead on táimid and Gurán a vegan and love Miarla performative Instagram, and then the other side of it is like
authentic Instagram.
Authentic.
But you know what? Do you ever find as well you'd be a brand new Ardini and you're like, I'm watching them. I can't stand this, but I can't stop watching.
Yeah.
Do you know what, Rutchin?
Yeah.
And you're kind of like, no, Kai May, but I need to keep.
Will Dini like a Rintagut? Like, do you hate follow people?
I don't hate follow people. I feel like there's galore Dini or Lena that I come up again. I'm following this person because there's actually Delaney something is her name. Do you know she does these skits?
Delaney Rowe.
Is it Delaney Rowe?
Yes,
she's
I bet it's Delaney Rowe.
And she like pretends to be Disney characters and she's like that, you know, the indie mom and the whatever.
Yes.
And I'm a brand new in a skits and I'm like, oh my God, you've such an amazing way of frustrating me. I can't stop watching.
Yes.
You know, Invention.
She does skits about tropes, you know, like
the
heroine in a rom-com and she's American.
Yeah, does she really come on?
And but she can like her characters can get under your skin.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just like I think Nora Hagen Shaggy like hate watching and hate following. You're veering into like tattle territory.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean? Like
fair.
I think Will Shay. I don't know how on earth.
Well, Tasha the niche Dini. I think people exploit like rage bait. Do you know that they'll do things be like, okay, I'm doing to get ready with me and I'm going to tell you about the time my husband cheated on me, and then you get to the end of the video and they've told you this big elaborate story and they're like, I'll reveal more in part two.
Do
you know? Unashamed rage baiting.
Yeah, but like that's storytelling. No,
this is your medium. Get ready with me as your medium, and this is your art.
I mean, talk about a time to like, you know, tell the story about the husband cheating. Actually, Akashif and Vanchin, there's an American actor that's gone viral. If we know her, she's an up and coming actor. I don't think people knew her, but she's gone viral Instagram. If we know her because she's did a crying video in 3 or 4 parts to talk about how her husband and father for 4 children had come home to tell her he was the dad of a 1-month-old.
Captain Gavak me. Yeah. She's really viral.
Yeah, she's really viral. And she's getting all this support from celebrities like Paloma Faith was under it being like sending you so much love, girl. Like fuck him and all this, you know. And it's like, and loads of people are like, is it staged? Like obviously you're gonna have the cynics of reach or all.
I think if Instagram's the first place you go to when something like that happens, you're turning to the wrong place.
Get some therapy.
Get some friends, you know. But
okay, Yup na
Seachtaine. So Comórtas Pléann na Gaeltachta broke containment le cúpla seachtaine news. So obviously Comórtas Pléann na Gaeltachta is on Comórtas Pléann idir na fur na Gaeltachta, and it's a big Deir seachtaine sóisialta. Níl mé riomh bheith ann, but it's bheith fucking class.
I did many a Comórtas Pléann in my time.
I'd say you did. And Lína Currach ceann na himróí ó Kilcortha in Gaeltacht Fús Creef we aglah, right? Stocook bra, far bra all and he broke the internet.
Yes. Now, an ex thug me se airad an fear seo nervhí se na fáiste anna bhaithe go mar winter year dawn. Listen, he's a lovely boy. He's a lovely boy. He's only a young fella.
He told me she and Chinga there and I was like, who is this man? And she was like, Louise, I babysat him.
Oh,
no good.
Well, look, like I said, I'm going to leave the objectification to the comments on TikTok and Instagram because they've done enough of it. You know. Yeah. But it's brawlum go will on. Like this is probably in Céadú go Anna Codini Clustal faoi Comórtas Pléann na Gaeltachta, and it's Marielle Aaron Stocook bra seo.
Far Anna and do you know what? Far Alling Cara le Manis and Vershani Sogan on Manis Mulcher Har, by the way, but comes from great stock now. His grandfather's Joseph Hyon Jack.
Oh,
yeah,
you should have led with that.
Yeah, and I should have led with that. And agus taobh nacht le. Sorry, no, not nacht, but well, Culcar le Nelny Chronin.
Okay.
Garvach le taigín tam pupsláde agus neall tam Bert charactérúnta cho chulé clown mór ar an íochtar.
I was about to say I take go later on howtogael, right?
Yeah.
Well, tell Manus to tell him to keep performatively posting.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you now, Sean Rodon. There you go.
Yeah, no, but like Connick Mishadini, like knock me up, Reeve, Heish, like from different universes, knock more to spell the Ryan Fee Sean show.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean? Like,
he really,
he touched a lot of people's lives.
Yeah, fair.
The power of being right.
Rúntóir, no.
Yeah, I know. Could you imagine Asian mar Rúntóir?
Yeah.
Knife you.
I'm sure.
There.
Bad babysitter over here. Okay.
Katie Shea.
Oh, tá sé like 24, 25 beidir. Yeah, 24, 25. Yeah, tá drahar leis a post in is mí lunases, so I think yeah.
The ornoro for a fact.
Perfect, yeah.
Well, fair play though, Reno's Kirshake, more to spend McGuinness at in the mainstream.
Nail the ball on the boo.
Anna Right, well, glúis na seachtainna.
Crockery. Mata rud gan really curse shocker this crockery cearthaí.
Má had den eigen knaf shawl, tá si de moaning, má had rudaí gan cur stachart to knowing you. Má fine patience. Má du mi einach, dat mi ein. There you go.
Sinné.
Pean's tone.
Pean's tone. Is Malam sin gomór?
Yeah.
Yes, Pean's tone. Agus tá cean eile baránach. Se anna bharánach.
Mína buíochas le fáilte Ireland as earthy and a bhar an bhil cruile seo, Mars Gnach.
Slán.